As I was saying before, this lady from Minnesota that I was talking to in a La Quinta Inn parking lot, Tallahassee, paid $8,000 at a Ford dealership to have her truck repaired and running. Who says that that repair was an $8,000 repair? You're sitting in the waiting room waiting for an estimate. It could have been fixed with a $50 part. You wouldn't know the difference. When they walk out and tell you it's $8,000, how are you going to argue with them? But maybe they know it's only a $50 part. That's why I don't buy used cars. I lease. If it's an $8,000 fix, it's not my problem. The car's under warranty.